Happy day. It's another day, guys. We're gonna do another mod to the Jeep. Getting close, we've almost got it done. It's time to do something that this thing needs done terribly bad, and that is some suspension work. The Fox shocks that come on this thing stock are just not up to my liking. They're way too soft, and this thing weeble wobbles down the road when you're going down the interstate. It feels like jello. So I am tired of that feeling. So I bought some new shocks and a small lift, just like 1.5 inches for the front and a 3/4 inch for the back, just to kind of get it up a little bit taller and level it. And I decided to go with the Falcon SP 3.3s. They are an adjustable shock, and they have remote reservoirs on them, which is pretty sweet. So that should help make the ride a lot better. So we're gonna head to the shop, get this up on the lift, and hopefully knock this out in a couple hours. Be back. Alright, so the first step, we're going to work on the back here today, and we're going to go ahead and remove the shock, put our spring spacer on back here, and give her a little lift. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take that shock off right there. Here's our replacement crap right here. And there's Nate.
Let's be honest, it's not crap though.
Look
Tell them about the deal you got on those things.
I got a good deal.
Tell them about it.
It was excellent. It was more than half off. No, what are you doing?
You're going to tell us about the deal you got.
I drove all the way down to Green River and bought these from a guy I know that I'd never met in real life, but met him on a forum. So he was replacing because he went to a 4-inch lift and was liquidating his stock.
And you got it for how much?
Like 700, 600.
That's a savings of how much?
More than half.
See, and then you put like a little ding ding in the corner.
We'll put a little ding ding.
Yeah, a little ding ding. You can edit that out. But you know, like a little like flash, like a little 50% off or something. I found the little thing on the bottom.
Nate, what are you doing here?
We are finishing up the Red Rover for a long time. One of our first customers.
But doesn't that engine look beautiful now?
Yes, compared to how it looked.
That thing was covered in oil.
Yes.
The head gasket's blue.
Yes. Valve train was disgusting. Everything we cleaned.
Yeah, here's the truck. This thing's been worked on quite a bit. We've done the power steering, hoses on it. We've done a whole bunch. I don't remember.
All kinds. Yeah, doors.
I think it still had the original plug wires, plugs, and cap and rotor on it, dude.
I think you're right.
It's pretty amazing for a Land Rover. 192,000 miles.
I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side, I'm live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Only got one. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take all the cash, you can see all the healing. If the things in the past, move on from the greed and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm weaving. I can change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the things in the past, move on from the greed and put your foot on the gas.
Oh yeah, Nate got a little distracted there. But we've got the bottom bolt out now. We're just doing this one. Oh my goodness.
Muscle farang. Oh wow. Jeep right there.
Holy cow.
Look at that bicep. Just look at the tries and bicep. Look at that. Just flexing.
See. Okay, everything's on, buttoned down, torqued, ready to take for a little drive here. Let's close up the hood. Didn't even need to open that. Those look pretty sick in there. Okay, that's the end of the Falcon shock install. It wasn't that bad, especially because the vehicle's not all rusty yet. So, all right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to, if you're so inclined. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.